Hello everyone, this is Blender Guppy. Welcome to the video tutorial for the Fast Mirror add-on. So first up is the installation. After downloading the zip file from the store, go to Blender's 3D viewport and press F4. This will open up the file context menu and then go to Preferences. Click on the Install button, then look for the PY file you have extracted from the zip file that you get from the store. This is different from the larger add-ons like Creative Flow or Random Flow, where you can just use the install button on the zip file itself. With smaller add-ons like this, extract the PY file first, then use the install button on that. After doing so, just look for the add-on using the search bar by tapping most of its name, then enable the add-on by clicking on the checkbox. After installation, you can find the Fast Mirror operator in the W Specials menu, otherwise known as the Object Context menu, by pressing the W hotkey in Object Mode. The W Specials menu can also operate in Edit mode, but you can find the Fast Mirror operator there since the add-on only works in Object mode. The Fast Mirror add-on is a standalone version of Creative Flows and Random Flows Auto Mirror operator. I have released this as a standalone operator or add-on for those people who want their add-on collection simple, but want an intuitive and easy-to-use mirroring functionality. So the Fast Mirror operator is a model operation that goes in two stages. First stage is where we pick the area we want to mirror using the left mouse button. This area is also known as the real geometry side of the mirrored mesh. The second stage is where we use the XYZ hotkeys to determine which axis we want the area to be mirrored on. In the graphical representation in the viewport, the small black X indicates the area you want mirrored and where you clicked in the first model stage. Following the line strips from the X, you will find the white 3D widget at the origin center of the active object. By pressing the XYZ hotkeys, you will find the 3D widget color up representing the different axes. RGB is equals to XYZ, so red is the X-axis, green is the Y-axis, and blue is the Z-axis. Pressing space or enter to confirm and going to edit mode, you can see that the area we have clicked has been mirrored on the X, Y, and Z axis. You can also switch or reposition the real geometry side anytime you want by using the Fast Mirror operator again on an already mirrored object. You can also subtract from the toggled mirror axis on an object already using symmetry or the mirror modifier. Applying those axes as a real mesh is automatically taken care of for you. The entire operation can be cancelled in the first or second model stage using the right mouse button hotkey. In the second model stage, the reset functionality is used to turn off all the axes at once, making the 3D widget white or a blank slate. Alternatively, using reset on an object already using a mirror modifier will also apply this and give you an applied mesh. Simply put, you can use this method to apply symmetry or the mirror modifier on a mesh. Fast Mirror can also work with multiple objects, but you have to click on the active object in the selection to determine which part or area of the mesh will be mirrored. Clicking on Open Space will give you the mirror axis not found message, as well as clicking on the other object selected if it is not the active object. The active object will be the brightly colored highlighted object in the selection. Remember that this also depends on the theme that you are using. After selecting the area you want mirrored, this location will also be used for the other objects selected in order for them to be mirrored in the selected axis using the same area in local space. Having the same topology doesn't matter, like in this example. The only thing that's important is the area you clicked on the active mesh and the symmetry axis you toggled on. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, use the comment section or the links in the description. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.